Hello friends! This time I tried something new. I created a reference picture for my painting with some images I found on the internet, which I edited them into Photoshop. I combined them all, and with some tools I corrected their colors, highlights and shadows, so all looks like a united picture. After the piece is finished, I started with the painting. The clouds were a big trouble for me to paint. It was my first time painting this kind of clouds, but at the end I liked how they turned out. Enjoy the process and don't forget to subscribe.